Welcome back mga kapuso ug nagtanaw gihapon kamo sa GMA Regional TV Live. Sa mga buot nangita ug pang Halloween nga scary look atong ibida ang ginama sa usa ka prosthetic makeup artist. And we have with us this morning sa studio si Miss Adamson Chey. Good morning, Miss Adamson Chey, and welcome sa GMA Regional TV Live. Kindly greet all our kapuso this morning.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Adamson Chey, and thank you for having me here. Yeah.
Okay. First of all, we're just curious. What's the difference between SFX makeup and prosthetics makeup?
SFX makeup, it's making simple details like you're making scars or bullet holes or anything. Those are simple, basic. Prosthetics is example like you want to make body parts. You want to make anything out of realistic props. An example like right here. I just have a demonstration here. May I show?
Sure.
So this is prosthetics. This is based of silicone. We actually make it into realistic, like the movie production, what they use for making cinema for horror movies.
Okay.
And this one right here, this is from Resident Evil.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay. And made of?
This is made of tin foil.
Okay.
And liquid latex and flour. I just know how to make the details. And this one is clay, dry air clay. But do you think should I demonstrate? I put it on.
Okay. So it's going to look like that. Okay.
Yes.
But we're just curious, at what age or when did you start doing this? And who influenced you into doing this?
Actually, I started cosplaying back in 2013. And soon I do commissions for cosplay, anime, and any feature like icons, DC, Marvels.
How long does it usually take you to make one prosthetic look like that?
Depends on how many hours. What kind of character do you want to portray? Like The Walking Dead, or maybe from Freddy Krueger, or Jason Voorhees from Friday the 13th.
I'm just curious, when you make this, do you also get scared?
Yes, a lot.
Okay.
Even though it's my creation, but I still get scared.
Okay. But where do you usually get the concepts, the inspiration in making those things?
I actually get those concept and creations. I like realistic.
And so we want to know if there are any projects that you've made recently?
Yes. Last year I was in the film production from back in Manila. And it was really good. It was my first time to portray some other new realistic, like open chest parts or googly eyes and any prosthetics like boils.
Okay. So for those interested, how much does it cost?
Well, that depends.
Okay. So where can they contact you? Or
actually, they can contact me from Cheyenne Adamson. That's my official FB page. And Adamson Chey, that's my Facebook. In case if anyone wants some prosthetics or collaboration, I'm always active.
And so, to close this, any message to our viewers?
And I just want to say thank you so much. Salamat kayo. How you say this one? Salamat.
Salamat. Daghang salamat.
Dagat salamat. Still practicing.
Okay. Daghang salamat, Ms. Adamson Chey, for sharing your time with us. Ug mga kapuso, mubalik pa ang GMA Regional TV Live.